Hi, everybody. Michael Coates here, the First Alert Weather Center. It is Friday afternoon, and things are already starting to pop out there with the thunderstorm threat. We're going to be seeing scattered thunderstorms roaming across eastern Idaho and western Wyoming for tonight. We already have some active conditions getting across southern and southeastern Idaho here on Viper, and we'll see a few of these storms getting into the Snake River Plain. Most of them are into the high country with some lightning strikes, and we are concerned about that, but we are expecting to see some scattered thunderstorms, mostly into the mountains for tonight, and then a few thunderstorms later on this evening in the Snake River Plain. We're at 91 right now for Idaho Falls, 92 in Pocatello, so we are still in the temperatures well above the 90s range here for this afternoon, and it's going to be hot for the weekend with more smoke and haze. However, most of the heavy smoke looks like it's going to favor central Idaho, with just a little bit less smoke now getting into eastern Idaho, if there's any consolation prize there. But we are looking at temperatures getting into the 90s this weekend, and we will still have some smoky conditions with some thunderstorms coming off this ridge of high pressure, which is currently to our south, and that ridge of high pressure is actually going to strengthen here as we get into Saturday and Sunday. That high is going to get it right over Utah and Wyoming for Sunday and Monday. That's going to move the jet stream well to the north of us, and we will be running into highs in the high 90s and low 100s this weekend. That's why the National Weather Service issuing an excessive heat watch as we get through the next couple of days here for Sunday and Monday. Now, Saturday's not a part of the heat watch, but Sunday and Monday are. We'll have temperatures peaking into those upper 90s for salmon and challis tomorrow and Sunday. We'll have a few thunderstorms in there for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday as we head through the next couple of days. We're going to be seeing more scattered thunderstorms and temperatures falling just a little bit in through areas of next week. As we go to Jackson, look at highs here at 88 for tomorrow. We're into the lower 90s on Sunday, mid 90s on Monday, and then we're going to be pulling in some scattered thunderstorms throughout next week with highs in the upper 80s to lower 90s. In the Snake River Plain, 95 for the high tomorrow in Pocatello, 100 for Sunday and Monday. It's going to be hot this weekend and getting into next week with some thunderstorms in the mix, but more scattered thunderstorms and possibly some good soaking showers in here with the thunderstorms Thursday, Friday, and next Saturday there at the end of the 8-day forecast. Idaho Falls, 93 and 97, making up your Saturday and Sunday. We're expecting to pull in those thunderstorms Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and again, getting some stormy conditions in here finally with some good soaking showers, not just the isolated thunderstorm threats we've been seeing for the past couple of weeks. We'll have more for you tonight on the news at 5, 5:30, and 6. From the First Alert Weather Center, I'm Michael Coates. Bye for now.